Alright, just making some nice AeroPress before I go to work. So I'm just going to take you guys along with my routine here. So as you guys can see, I'm using the Akaya. It's good for this scale because it is smaller. The AeroPress is smaller, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and start that timer. And we are going to pour 100 grams in here, if you guys can see. 100 grams within the first 30 seconds. It doesn't have to be a specific time. So there's a little over 100, but you're going to see it start to bubble here, and that is the CO2 coming out of the bean. So we're going to wait until 30 seconds. As soon as that 30 seconds hits, we're going to take our chopsticks or whatever you have, stir about 20 times pretty quick. And then you're just going to set that aside here. And then right now I already have my filters my filter that is pre-soaking there. And while that time is counting down, you're just going to press it until you see the coffee. And we're at 54 seconds right now. So then you're just going to get it ready. As soon as that minute comes, you're going to put it in here and you're going to start to press. Really simple, really easy. Should only take you about a minute and a half to get a really good cup of coffee with the AeroPress. Especially, this is a great recipe. If you guys are interested in AeroPress, 100% would recommend this recipe. So a minute and 30 seconds exactly. We're going to put this back on the scale here. We are going to tare it. And we are going to add 100 grams of water. There is our 100 grams. And then you're just going to just stir it right here, mix it up. And then we're going to give it a taste test. So you're always going to want to make sure you smell it. Right now I'm using a coffee bean that was sent to me by a subscriber. It just came in today, and I'm really excited to do a dialing in video tomorrow, and also just kind of show you what kind of tasting notes there is, what it smells like, what it even is, and the company as well, and also to let you guys know the taste. We're gonna do some latte art with it, and I'm gonna also be making some espresso. But cheers for the AeroPress. Wow. So you don't know what this flavor is, but I'm just going to let you know that you get a hint of the flavor. It feels like I'm cheating on my diet, but I'm really not. So again, cheers. Stay caffeinated, my friends. It's amazing. All right. I leave you now. Peace.